He's like the new Susan Boyles.
He's been teaching for 6 years in Reading near London and says though he loves it, music is his passion. And during competition each show, he stole
Is that your hat, Elsa?
including Simon.
Is that your new hat? Do you know that there's carrots in there? Yeah, they're in your hair now.
But we can't see them because she's got red hair.
That's right. Peekaboo! I see you.
Oh.
Peekaboo! I see you, Elsa.
Comparisons to Britain's last overnight sensation, Susan Boyle.
Peekaboo!
What are you doing?
Boyle recorded the underdog story.
What are you doing?
Daniel Johnson may make his name as the comeback kid. That's because he auditioned for the show 3 years ago and didn't make the cut, despite being
Who's talking over there? Huh? Who's that?
Carrots all over her. What do you think, Bug? Gonna wear it on your head? On your head? Oh. I see you. I see you.